Let's talking about population explosion and birth control. Improved quality of life of people, increased health facilities and better living conditions had an explosive impact on explosion of population. Rapid decline in death rate. Because medical facilities are very good, so death rate decreases, and this is the one cause of population increase. MMR, maternal mortality rate, also decreases because of the health facilities. And IMR, infant mortality rate, a newborn baby mortality rate also decreases, and these are the reasons for population explosion. Now, steps to overcome population explosion. The first one is using various contraceptive methods or birth control methods. Educate people about the demerits of large families. Size of the family should be small and just follow the family planning programs. Increase the marriageable age of female and male. Marriageable age for female in India is 18 years and male it is 21 years. It should be raised. Demographers explain that postponed date of female marriage age from 18 years to 20 or 22 years would bring down the birth rate by 20 to 30%. Provide incentive to parents having one or two children, or we can say small family promotion schemes. Contraceptive methods are used to prevent the unwanted pregnancy and modify the menstrual cycle also. So these are the some steps to overcome population explosion. Now, what are the characteristics of an ideal contraceptive? Contraceptive means birth control. The first one, it must be user friendly. A couple can easily use it in proper way, easily available in the market. Effective, it must be effective so birth can be controlled. Reversible or reusable. No side effects of these contraceptives on the health of a couple, and no way interfere with sexual desire or sexual act. Now, methods could be divided into following category: natural or traditional methods, barrier methods, IUDs or intrauterine devices, oral contraceptive methods, these are the tablets and pills, and injectables, these are the injections inject in the female body. The same injectable, but these implants are the small stick just placed under the skin of the female, and surgical methods. Let's start the natural method. Natural method work on the principle of avoiding chances of ovum and sperm meeting, means fertilization. It includes periodic abstinence a week before and a week after the menstrual phase are supposed to be safe periods for sexual intercourse. It reduces the chances of pregnancy by about 80%. It is so because ovulation generally occur on 14th day of the menstrual cycle. Viability period of ovum is about 2 or 3 days only, and viability period of sperm is only 1 day. The period from 10 to 17 days of the menstrual cycle is called danger or risk of fertility period because mature Graafian follicle is present during this period in the ovary of a healthy human female, and chances of fertilization is very high. The second method is withdrawal or coitus interruptus. It is basically avoid the insemination. Semen is not deposited in the vagina. It is the oldest method of voluntary fertility control. Some sperm may be deposited with secretion of Cowper's gland in the vagina before the sexual climax, may develop physiological and psychological problem to both the parents. And the last one is lactation amenorrhea. It has been noticed that during the period of intense lactation, means milk giving period, after the parturition or delivery, the mother does not undergo menstruation cycle and ovulation as a high level of prolactin suppress the chances of ovulation is totally nil. Talking about barrier methods. In barrier method, ovum and sperms are prevented from physical meeting with help of barrier. The first is condoms. It is used by male. Barrier made up of rubber or latex sheet used to cover penis or vagina and avoid fertilization, and it is also good to avoid STDs. It is a picture of condom. Diaphragm, cervical cap and walls are barrier made up of again rubber that is inserted into female reproductive tract during coitus. It is used by female. And along with these devices, some creams, jelly and foams are used, so these devices efficiency increases. Let's talking about advantage of barrier methods. They are disposable. They can be self-inserted. No experts required for these devices. Reusable, so it is cheap, and prevent conception by blocking entry of sperm through cervix, means avoid fertilization. Prevent from STDs also. So this is a very good advantage of barrier method. Now next one is intrauterine devices, IUCDs. These include copper T and loops which are fitted in the uterus and prevent the fertilization of the egg or implantation of the embryo. These increase phagocytosis of sperms in the uterus. In India, IUDs are most widely accepted method of contraceptive in females for spacing the children. Several types of IUCDs are there. First is non-medicated IUCD, example is lips loop. Copper releasing IUCDs, example of copper T, which is very popular. Copper 7 and multiloaded 375, and hormone releasing IUCDs, LNG20. This is a one diagram of copper T. It is made up of copper and shape of this device just like a T. And already we talking about the functioning process of IUCD. Phagocytosis of sperms means IUCD kill sperms, reduce the motility and fertility capacity of sperms. So sperms do not reach to the egg, make the uterus unsuitable for implantation, and cervix hostile to the sperms, so sperms cannot reach to the egg. Next one, oral pills. Birth control pills are taken through mouth. These contain a combination of synthetic progesterone acting like a progesterone and estrogen, so-called combined pills. These progesterone estrogen combination inhibit secretion of FSH and LH from pituitary gland. So these inhibit ovulation from the ovary and implantation, and in this way they avoid birth. Some examples are Saheli and Maladi. But these birth control pills generally having side effects like nausea, weight gain, bleeding, even breast cancer also. Surgical methods. These methods block the gamete transport and so prevent conception. These methods are highly effective as their failure rate is almost 0%, but they are irreversible. These cannot be considered as contraceptive measures. The first one is vasectomy. It is a permanent method of birth control in which either testes are surgically removed or cutting or tying of a vas deferens called vasectomy. It is done through a small incision in the scrotum. Here the diagram, we are observing the diagram. In this diagram we are observing a small part of vas deferens cut and tie and block the path of sperm. Now next one is tubectomy. Tubectomy involves cutting or tying of fallopian tubes by small incisions in the abdomen or through vagina. Here we observe tubectomy. A small part of fallopian tube is cut and removed. We already discussed the side effects of contraceptive methods, especially pills: nausea, abdominal pain, breakthrough bleeding, irregular menstrual bleeding, even breast cancer. Medical termination of pregnancy, MTP, or induced abortion. It is the intentionally or voluntary termination of pregnancy before the fetus becomes viable. Abortion can be done during first few months of pregnancy. The safest period of MTPs is first trimester up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. It is being misused to about even the normal female fetus to check high rate of indiscrimination and illegal female feticides in India. Government of India legalized MTP in 1971 with some strict conditions. MTP is used in some cases get rid of unwanted pregnancy. When pregnancy continues could be harmful, but it is totally banned because misuse is more than general medical cases. STDs or sexual transmitted diseases. Diseases or infections which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called sexual transmitted diseases or venereal diseases or reproductive tract infections. Some common STDs are gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamyditis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and AIDS. Hepatitis B and HIV is also transmitted by sharing of injection needles, surgical instruments with infected person, transfusion of blood, or from infected mother to fetus. Except HIV, STDs are commonly or completely curable if defected or detected earlier and treated properly. Infection of STD can be prevented by avoid sex with unknown partners, always use condom during coitus. Condom is a barrier method and is avoid STDs also. Go to a qualified doctor in case if any doubt related to disease, or avoid to take blood from unknown person. Avoid drug abuse and avoid pregnancy with mother is suffering from STD. Infertility. The couple which are unable to reproduce children in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation are called infertility. The reason of this could be mainly physical, congenital diseases, drugs, immunological, or even psychological. Infertility couple can be assessed to have children through certain special techniques commonly called assisted reproductive technologies art, which includes in vitro fertilization. Generally, it is also known as test tube baby program, and this type of programs done in laboratory conditions. The ovum from the wife or donor and sperms from the husband or donor are collected and induced or fertile in laboratory conditions. After fertilization, zygote is formed. For this zygote, very early stage, 8 blastomere could be transferred into fallopian tube. This method is called ZIFT, zygote infrafallopian transfer, or more than 8 blastomeres, IUT, intrauterine transfer method. Now these are the arts. Some more methods also. GIFT means gamete intrafallopian transfer. Gametes are collected from a donor and transferred into fallopian tube of a female. ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Sperm is directly injected into the sperm. And artificial insemination, collect the semen from the father or donor and artificially introduce into vagina or into uterus also. This is a method in which we can promote. These all techniques required a very specific person and very professional person. Therefore, their benefits are limited to certain countries and people. Emotional, religious, and social factors also prevent the adoption of these methods. Thanks